In this video, we are going to install Airweave with Ollama on our local system. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Airweave is a comprehensive data integration and search platform that solves the critical problem of enabling AI agents to access and search information across disparate and different applications and data sources. This project addresses the challenge that modern organizations face where valuable data is siloed across multiple apps, productivity tools, databases, and document stores, making it really difficult for AI agents to retrieve relevant information when needed. So what Airweave does, it transforms these scattered data sources into unified, semantically searchable knowledge bases accessible through standardized APIs. It could be REST or even you could use your own MCP server, handling the complex task of authentication, data extraction, embedding generation, and search serving automatically. So let's get it installed and we will see how it works. I'm going to use local Ollama based models, and for that you would need two models. One model would be your LLM and the other one would be embedding model to convert the data into numerical representation. I already have Ollama installed and my models downloaded, which I will show you shortly. If you want to learn more about Ollama, just go to my channel and search. You should be able to find heaps of videos around it. I'm going to use this Ubuntu system. My GPU card is NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. Let me start by creating a virtual environment. If you're also looking to rent a GPU or VM or CPU on very affordable prices, you can find the link of Massed Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for a range of GPUs. So please do check them out. Let's go back. And my virtual environment is almost done, and that is all done. Next up, let's git clone the repo of Airweave, and I will drop the link to it in video's description. As I said, I already have Ollama installed and I have two models already running: Nomic Embed for embedding model and Quen 3 for the large language model. If you haven't downloaded it yet, just do Ollama pull and the model's name there, and it should download the model on your local system. So both of the models are ready and good to go. Another prerequisite which you need is Docker installed. So make sure that you have any recent version of Docker installed. As you can see, I have this recent version of Docker installed. If you don't know how to install Docker, just go to my channel and then search for Docker installation, and I have done a very simple to understand video around Docker. One thing when we are in the virtual environment we need to do is to just give this permission to Docker's socket file. You might not have to do it, but this is what my environment requires. Okay, so once that's done, one thing which you need to do is to set this environment variable. Now, you don't have to get any OpenAI's API key, which is a paid option. All you need to do, just put any random value here, something like this, because this is, I have found out that this project doesn't work if you just leave it empty or unset. So I'm just setting it to test. Once that's done, all you need to do is just run this from the root of the repo. It is going to check all the versions prerequisites and download your Docker images and run them. And you can see that it is pulling everything at the moment. So let's wait for it. This is going to take a fair bit of time. And meanwhile, let me also introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are Matrix. Matrix lets you create a realistic world simulator where you can run repeated simulations as A/B tests for your marketing captions that allows marketers to test different angles and strategies. And now after download, it is setting up both the front end and the back end. This is again going to take few minutes. So first it builds a back end and now it is doing the front end. And it is really good that they have provided this script, otherwise it could be real pain in the back to build all of these manually. So as it does that, let's talk a bit more about this project. Now, One of the use case could be that it could allow the developers to build AI agents that can or that could intelligently search and retrieve information from various sources. And at the moment, if you go through their repo, it seems that they have already got around 25 different sources without you having to build custom integration for each platform. So this is where they are trying to create a sort of a standard to have more capable and informed AI applications on the go. And everything is now installed and running, and it is available at localhost at port 8080. So let me access that. Okay, now in order to show you this in action, I have created this simple code from the repo. All this code is doing, it is using Airweave to make Stripe payment data searchable by AI agents. And it is using my coin model. It automatically selects that auto Ollama model. Then it creates a collection, which is a logical container that groups related data sources into a unified searchable knowledge base, and then it connects it to a Stripe using API credentials to automatically sync customer, product, and subscription data, then performs natural language searches like what are our top customers by revenue, or even show me subscription cancellation trend, that sort of thing. So if you look here, this is accessing it on localhost. It is going through some Stripe data. If you would have to put your Stripe key here, so I will put it in later and save it. And then it is just doing some simple Python stuff to search these queries by revenue and all that stuff, which I just mentioned. And then it gives us the result back. I am massaging it and then I'm printing it out. So that is all what this code is doing. So let me put in my Stripe key and we will go to the terminal and run this code. So I'm just going to check it out and let's run. There you go. It's very quick and fast. And there you go. So it is just doing what I just told you, step by step. It is connecting, it is creating a collection, and then just give it any name of your choice. And then it searches the data in your data source, gives you the results back, and behind the scene, Airweave is running all those agents. And then it is also giving you a very nuanced and grounded answer by checking it out. So all in all, seems like a real interesting combination of agents, MCP, and that sort of stuff. But one thing which you need to be aware of, that with Ollama, the functionality is very limited. So that is where you would just need to make sure that you put in a lot of custom code in order to control that, because mostly when we are using Ollama, we are using quantized models. But pretty interesting stuff. And if you go through the repo, the project is still evolving. So there are a lot of rough edges which they are trying to polish out. So try it out. Let me know what do you think about it. If you like the content, please like the video and share it. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so, as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.